Here I have SONY Xperia Pro-I, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, then go to the backup, tap add account. Here you have to enter your email or phone number, tap next, then you have to enter your password. Tap next, then you have to agree with then you have to select if you will be using this device or if your child will be using it. Tap next, then agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy, and last you have to tap turn on and your device will be ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.